Stop calling SAP technical, please. Every time someone tells you SAP is very technical, coding chahiye, IT background chahiye, you step back, you think maybe this is not for me, right? Let me tell you something very clearly. If you can understand business, you can learn SAP. The big difference, you're not learning how to build SAP. You are learning how companies run inside SAP, right? First, understand this. SAP is not one subject. SAP is a full ecosystem. Inside SAP, there are many modules. Nobody learns all of them. You choose one. For example, SAP FICO for finance, SAP MM for purchasing, SAP SD for sales and distribution, SAP PP for production and planning, SAP EWM for extended warehouse management, right? SAP ABAP for coding and technical development. Now listen carefully. Only ABAP is pure technical. That is where coding happens, but they are business focused, not heavy coding. You configure system based on business process. That's it. Let's take SAP SD as an example. Sales and distribution. When company sells a product, customer order is created, pricing is calculated, discount is applied, delivery happens, invoice generated. That's a full life cycle managed in SAP SD. Now tell me, is that coding? No, right? It is business logic. It is process thinking. This is what I explain to my students who come with fear. First thing I tell them is forget the system, understand the business process first. Once business is clear, system becomes easy, very easy. The reason with many students struggle and some may not, right? The difference is, I'll tell you, SAP is not technical because most people introduce in a wrong way. Instead of explaining business flows, institution open the system and they start explaining VA01, VK11, VO8. They feel lost. You feel this is coding, right? It's not coding, it is a configuration. And the configuration only makes sense when business is clear, right? Over the years, I have seen hundreds of learners panic because they started from screens. When they restart with a proper foundation, clarity changes everything. That's where the clarity changes. Again, the problem is not SAP, problem is approach. If this kind of clarity is helping you, subscribe now, because in this channel we break confusion. I don't do hype, I talk reality. If you are thinking I am from non-IT background, I am from science background, my English is average, congratulations, you are just where I was when I started. Now listen carefully. Functional SAP modules are not about coding. They are about understanding how companies operate. Global companies hire SAP consultants for process knowledge, not for programming knowledge. That is a fact. I have seen projects across different industries, what companies expect in reality, not coding. So stop rejecting yourself because before even trying. Stop getting scared by the word technical. SAP is a system. Inside the system, you choose your path. Understand the difference, then decide, right? So if you truly want to grow in your career, if you want to understand how to build a strong SAP profile, subscribe now to my channel, because I'll be breaking down all myths. I'll show you how to grow properly, not fast but strong. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this.